Hey everyone, it's Chinezeslife. For those of you who are new and for those of you returning, first of all, I just want to say welcome and thank you for tuning in with me today. In today's video, I'll be giving you guys a step-by-step tutorial on how I achieve these marley twists on myself. Oftentimes, some of these things can look like really hard, but I promise once you break it down, because trust me, y'all know I'm someone who doesn't really do hair like that, but if I can do this, I'm sure you can do it too. This is one of my go-to hairstyles from the past, so I'm definitely so happy that my hair is finally long enough on all ends to be able to put this in. So definitely for my people with the teeny weeny afros, we out here gang, but also know that you can put some hair in, especially if your hair is around the same length as mine. Don't be discouraged, especially see how big my parts are. Like, listen, y'all, I was not playing. I said this hair is gonna get done by force. As I said in the past, if you've watched some of my recent videos, I did have marley hair a few weeks ago, marley twists rather. However, the way that I did them, like the method and everything, it just ended up being like super painful, and a lot of them kept on like slipping off, and I was really getting to wonder like why, like maybe I did something wrong. And I literally came to realize that I had been twisting it wrong the whole time. As you can see, my hair came out way more flat and more uniform. I took extra time with the parting and everything like that. But to move on, if you are interested in seeing how I achieve these marley twists at home by myself and how you also can do that as well, definitely make sure to stay tuned and let's go ahead and get into this video. So starting off, I sprayed my hair with a mixture of Jamaican black castor oil, water, and also jojoba oil, and just mix that in. Next up, I'll be using my Miel leave-in conditioner. It smells so good, guys. Love it. And just also mixing that in just so that my hair is super hydrated and ready for the twists. Now that my hair is all hydrated, I'm gonna go in with an afro pick just to make sure that there's no knots or anything and that we're just fully detangled before prepping the hair. You'll also want to keep a rat tail comb handy, super helpful when it comes to making clean parts, and it literally makes all the difference. Also, these clips are so helpful too. I also have some hair grease that I'll be using just if necessary. So guys, I used 8 packs of hair in doing my hair, and I'll link down below where I got this hair from. It's super light, super manageable, so definitely would recommend it. So I used 2 pieces of hair and I put it basically on my scalp, and then I wrap 1 piece of my actual hair around the 2 pieces of the marley and basically braid it in. In doing so, this makes it super secure and ensures that it won't come out as easily rather, especially since my hair is short. So if you do have short hair, I definitely recommend that you do this as well. Following this method, in total, this probably took me about 5 hours, I want to say, but I did take some breaks in between, so it could even be quicker than that. Also, shout out to my sister on parting the back for me because, y'all, I was trying to do it with my camera and a mirror, and it just was not happening. And that, folks, is the finished product. Hey guys, so that brings me to the end of this video. I just want to say a huge thank you to you for staying tuned up until this point. As you can see, my hair did a whole 180 from the last time that I did marley twists. So if you're looking to, do them on yourself or do them on someone else, I hope that you found this tutorial helpful. This is actually one of the first styles that I ever learned how to do, like as far as not my actual hair. One of the few styles, but I feel like it's the tested and true. And also if you're trying to grow your hair like I am, it's definitely a way to not have to deal with your hair as much. Something like this with this style will probably last me like 2.5 to 3 weeks. Just knowing myself. And when it comes to maintenance, I usually will oil my scalp at least 2 to 3 times a week, since with the parting and everything, my scalp is more exposed. And y'all know I already love to do updo hairstyles, whether that's with a scarf or just the hair in general, so I'm definitely looking forward to doing more of those with this hair in. And also, I'm definitely willing to try to learn, like literally I'm telling myself once my hair starts to grow just a little bit more, I want to try out like knotless braids on myself. I know I can't really braid like that, y'all, but I feel like, during this lockdown period, we might as well learn new skills, right? Maybe I can braid, maybe I can cornrow, who knows? But anyways, I'm chatting. That is the end of this video. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure to pause this video and hit that subscribe button. And also make sure to tap the bell to turn on post notifications so that you do know when I am posting a new video. If you're not following me over on Instagram, you can find me over there at chinezeslife. And if you're not following me over on Twitter, make sure to follow me over there at chinezeslife. As always, I appreciate you guys and your support so much, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye everyone!